In the dim light of the attic, the old typewriter sat forgotten, dust cloaking its keys. Martha discovered it while sorting through her late grandmother's belongings, captivated by its vintage charm. She decided to bring it downstairs, placing it on a small table in her study. That night, a strange tapping echoed through the house. Martha dismissed it as the house settling, but the sound persisted. It was rhythmic, an incessant tapping as if someone were typing. Approaching the study, she found the typewriter's keys moving on their own, hammering out letters at a frantic pace despite no visible hand guiding them. Heart pounding, she mustered the courage to look at the paper. Each line contained the same message: "Get out now." Fear gripped her, but curiosity lingered. She reached for the paper and the key stopped. Breathing deeply, she pulled the sheet free. Beneath the typed words, scrawled in a familiar hand, was a name: her grandmother's. Suddenly, the room went cold, and Martha felt a breath on her neck, a whisper carrying her grandmother's voice saying, "Run, run before he finds you." The typewriter resumed its frantic typing. Martha fled, never to return, but the typewriter continued its relentless warning to an empty house.